Hey guys, this is my morning view from my room, my hotel room, and it looks fab, right? I have a really bad cold, you can hear from my voice. Let's go have breakfast. Today I was in my exploration mood and I tried dumplings, but I didn't like it really. And we had this good breakfast. We had some bread, some croissants. Everything here was amazing. It was delicious, and obviously we won't finish this, so we might have some packed for snack later. Hey guys, get ready with me to attend Bus 338, the Homecoming film premiere. My partner and I are going, and it's happening in Westgate. So I prepped my lashes in the morning. As you can see, they're all fixed and good to go. So right now it's just me prepping my skin and doing my makeup. So I wore my earrings because usually I forget about earrings a lot. Like when it comes to accessories and jewelry, I don't know, for some reason I just forget about it. So if I don't wear it fast, then I might even end up forgetting. So yeah, that's why I have my earrings and I like them. I know they're pretty. So yeah, let's get ready. I don't want to get bored, so I came with some speaker and I want to play some music. I don't know where I placed my iPad, since I'm going to use this eyeliner, but it's still in the shade that I use for my brows.
Please stop.
at our hotel at around 5:20 p.m. The event was set to start at 4 p.m. But for such events, it's always good to go in 2 hours later after the start time, because they usually don't start mapema like that. So we arrived at the venue. Everyone was looking gorgeous and beautiful. The setup was okay. I loved every single bit, because obviously this is a cinema, so yeah, it was giving what it's supposed to give. This is me enjoying the red carpet moment and utilizing every single opportunity. I took pictures and I vlogged a little bit. It was amazing. I was looking gorgeous. Everything from my accessories, my dress, my bag, I was just looking nice.
Hey everyone, we are at the cinema, but the film hasn't started, nothing is ready yet. People are warming up and that really so nice. Just really happy to be here and see the producer. I've just seen one, Sarah, and I'm really happy to see her. I'm hoping to meet other people and maybe take a few pictures with them and do more. Yes, my partner is here with me, so I'm really hoping to have fun with him as well. Until next time.
Our tickets came with popcorn, free popcorn and soda. That was a good thing. And then no one was allowed to film during this time. And we were just happy to know and understand how this film came to be. Sarah, the producer, said that she had been writing this in her diary since I don't know when, but it was her dream, and this dream came to be. It came true for her. I'm really proud of Sarah because she's a good actress too, and her being a producer for this specific movie, Bus 338, which premiered first in London, shows how much work she has put into this for it to become a success. I believe she's a trailblazer. She's setting up a good pace for women. She's being a good example. She is encouraging women in the film or creative industry to come up and do the same as well. We all know that Kenya hasn't really ventured into the film industry like that compared to countries like Nigeria and South Africa. In African countries, they all have like so many movies and things like that on Netflix, whereas us, we do not. And so they're just encouraging us to keep going and do something great for the country. I learned a lot about what it takes to be in the creative industry or film industry, especially in Kenya, and how challenging it is.
One of the many stories that I came up with during my isolation during the COVID time. And so it was basically what I was going through at that particular time.
Hold on.
Not the shooting.
Oh,
No. So during my isolation, as a way to just maintain my mental health, I write a lot. And Bus 338 was one of the stories that I was writing, and I wanted to tell the story of what I was going through at that particular time, but that was in 2020, 2021. But as time goes by, you know, we are moving away from COVID, so you have to talk about something that is more present. So for me, it was a bit easy because a bus is something that can define from countryside. Tumekuwa tukitumia basi, you know, traveling from Western Kenya to Nairobi, Mombasa to Nairobi. So it's something that is easily, where's that I go? Is something that can be relatable to most of us. So that's why the bus to me stood for that confinement. And then we put in the virus, and then we put in different characters in our society. The three thugs.
Quality, the acting was great, the production was great, the sound was great, the storytelling was amazing. So I just want to say congratulations.
for showing up for a fellow Kenyan, a woman, and I'm saying this with deep respect. The thing I want to know is how can we show up more, especially in Kenya and Africa. And can I be in your next movie? Yeah, and
I think you did an amazing job. As in.